SiteGround Reseller Hosting Review. Usage Experience. Links to SiteGround Reseller Hosting are available in the description below. SiteGround's reseller hosting is an excellent choice for individuals or businesses looking to start their own hosting business or manage multiple client websites with ease. With a reputation for top-tier customer support and robust performance, SiteGround offers a feature-rich reseller hosting solution that simplifies the management of hosting accounts while providing ample customization and control. SiteGround's reseller hosting plans come with white label branding, allowing you to rebrand the hosting as your own and create a professional, seamless experience for your clients. This feature is ideal for entrepreneurs or agencies who want to sell hosting services without having to deal with the infrastructure themselves. Free billing software is included with all plans, making it easier to manage payments, invoices, and accounts. The platform also provides cPanel and WHM access, giving you the flexibility to manage individual accounts and clients efficiently. One of the standout features of SiteGround's reseller hosting is its performance. With SSD storage, fast server speeds, and a global data center network, your clients' websites will load quickly and reliably from anywhere in the world. SiteGround also offers free daily backups, so your clients' data is always protected. Plus, free email accounts and free SSL certificates for every domain help to enhance security and professionalism. SiteGround's 24/7 customer support is another reason why it stands out. They offer live chat, phone, and ticket support, so you can get help with any issues, day or night. Their knowledge base is extensive, and they're known for providing quick, helpful responses, which is essential when managing multiple client accounts. Overall, SiteGround Reseller Hosting is perfect for web developers, agencies, or anyone looking to provide managed hosting services with minimal hassle. With powerful features, excellent support, and a user-friendly interface, SiteGround offers a solid solution for those looking to build or grow a hosting business.